All right, let's go see what Daddy's cooking. Because Daddy's making good food. And what are you doing here?
That's just bread.
Eso es pan. This guy is taking his thing so serious. And he's reading it. Suck your belly. Tú estás muy gordito. It's okay though, you still look cute.
Why are you recording me? I don't like when I record.
Because you look cute, you're handsome. I have to show off my husband.
Girl, you already have showed me off a long time ago.
Exactly, I have to show you recently.
Seriously.
So wait, so what are you making? Cornbread?
Yeah, cornbread.
Cornbread? Don't you think that has so much calories? We're never gonna be skinny legends.
Yeah, today we definitely not be skinny legends. There's gonna be a lot of food, girl.
You really gonna go cook up?
Cooking up a storm, okay?
Oh my God.
As they say.
Ay, Dios mío. So there he got you get too many things in Twitter, like literally.
Twitter? I don't get that. That's Twitter. Oh,
I like how he takes his thing so serious. And there's Nico. Nico, back up. Eso no es
Bro.
Mira, buen fresco.
Coño, cabrón.
A mamá no se le habla así, oíste.
Ya yo sé lo que tú quieres.
Come. You can't have that. Go away. You should have a cooking show, babe. Since you like cooking a lot. You know what I'm saying? But he's reading everything.
He's in the cup.
So today we're cooking. Today we're eating American.
No, we're gonna eat American.
You know what? I hate you. La pregunta que la gente me hace because of Nico. La gente me pregunta a mí que si bota mucho pelo. Y la verdad que sí. He bota mucho pelo. Tiene que peinarlo todos los días. Tiene que pasarle vacuum a la casa todos los días. Porque ellos botan mucho pelo. Seriously, you should do a cooking show. He's like, no, I don't want that. Probably you're wondering how we met. See that building right there? Yep, the one with the big turkey. Yep, that's where me and my husband, we met late 2006. I used to work in the women's fragrance. He used to work in the men's fragrance. Yeah, we met there, we became best friends, and we got married 12 years ago, and we got 3 kids. So every year for Thanksgiving, it brings memory from when we used to work there. Good times. But yeah, it's just kind of funny how we always watch the Macy's separate and cook. Well, he cooks, not me. Oye, papi, ¿qué le falta? Papi, ¿qué le falta?
Casi no.
¿Ya está casi está?
Let's try to see if this turkey is done.
¿Tú lo quieres abrir? ¿Lo quieres abrir? A ver.
We should have bought a carving thing.
Carving.
A bigger turkey.
¿Qué es eso, carving?
To cut the turkey.
Ay, yo no sé lo que es eso, papi. Tú sabes que yo no sé nada de estas cosas. Yo no sé nada de esto. ¿Qué es eso? Ay, está caliente.
Hold on.
Está caliente. ¿Qué es eso que tú le echaste?
That's rosemary, bees.
Wait, how long you
Since
season
7
it?
in the morning. Oh, for 3 days.
What you did?
I seasoned the turkey for 3 days.
For real?
It's been seasoned for 3 days since Monday.
Here's what the Koreans clean up.
Oh. So what are you gonna do now? ¿Qué tú haces
Sweet
ahora?
potato casserole, baby.
Oh my god. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I really did not make the turkey. He did. Okay. Dad made the turkey. Why are you laughing? She's laughing at me. So now he's gonna do something. I told you guys I don't cook on Thanksgiving. I'm too cute to be cooking. And he has more stuff there. He's already halfway there.
Gotta be done by 12, baby.
You're gonna be done by 12,
Yeah, at least by 12:30.
according to you. You think you're gonna make it? Me acá y el arroz.
Aquí no se hace arroz aquí, no Thanksgiving.
What?
Thanksgiving no se hace arroz, eh?
Oh my god, I'm Dominican. We have to have rice.
You go to New York then. That's New York, pernil, arroz. That's Christmas time.
Mom, I'm telling my mom, you said that.
That's Christmas time, okay?
Oh my god. Aquí se come arroz.
That's Christmas time, I told you.
Chloe, your dad pretty much said that we don't eat rice on Thanksgiving.
If you don't, that's Christmas time. That's when you do pernil, arroz, ensalada de papa, ensalada de pollito. That's the vaina. Of Christmas. That's Christmas dinner.
So we're doing American Thanksgiving dinner.
Yes.
I'm giving up. I'm buying it.
Tú ves que la hija tuya es caribeña, ella quiere arroz, ella quiere arroz
You
con...
want rice?
Ella quiere un locrio, un moro, un sopao, una vaina.
Put the vacuum away.
She wants rice.
You want rice? Girl, that's Christmas.
Oh my god, you guys. Entonces, ese jamón, ¿para qué? What you got the ham for?
Para hacer también.
¿Para hacer qué?
Para hacer ham también, que a mí me gusta ham.
Pero tú dijiste que vamos a hacer, los American también hacen ham.
Claro.
Okay.
Adiós, pero ven acá.
I'm just asking. ¿Y qué tú vas a hacer? Sweet potato.
Sweet potato, baby, sweet potato.
Oh, gotcha. Azúcar. Brown sugar. A mí me gusta eso.
Half of 1/4 pack of brown sugar.
¿Y está leyendo? No. I thought you knew this by heart.
No, porque tú sabes. Yeah, baby.
Okay. That's Dominican vainilla right there. You heard?
What is that?
Y es pura, esa vainilla es pura. Let me see.
Half a cup.
So hubby did homemade bread from scratch. Yeah, that's the best thing about having a husband who cooks. Y yo aquí, de linda, haciendo nada. Just recording. Oh my god.
Lord help her, please.
I think he already did. You're so cute. I love you. Anyways, how do you did this? You should do a tutorial how you made it. You want to do a tutorial one day?
No, how about this? Clean up.
That's true. I have to cook. Pero you know what's the thing about it? That you cook and you don't even make mess. Like, he does dishes, cooks. Like, tú no ves reguero? Seriously. Ryan is like the most organized person ever. Él no hace reguero. Ahora las mujeres cuando cocinan sí hacemos mucho reguero. Pero no.
No, usted no hace reguero. Usted hace un fucking hot mess, eh?
So, since Daddy is cooking and doing dishes, I swear to God. over here drinking this thing. This is so good, especially like green apple like myself. That's really yummy. This guy is going all out. You look cute, babe. He don't even smile at all. I guess he's not gonna smile.
Not gonna look like I wanna smile.
You do not, because you're making too much food. All right, you guys. So I want to show you this thing. Let me turn the lights on. Can the lights be on? Yeah, there it goes. I want to show you guys what my daddy, my sugar daddy, gave that guy right there. No, chew. Come here. You got your own. Look how cute is this. So that Brian went to this like a pet store, and this is so adorable. It's like a cute local family owned. How adorable is this? His own Thanksgiving dinner or lunch or whatever you want to call it. So this is super adorable. You have a cookie here, a little pie, and I guess that's a sweet potato, I'm not sure. Green beans. Mira que lindo. That's cute. And then here he has another, what is this? Oh, that's so cool. What is this? What is that? How cool is that? He being sleeky. Out.
Get away.
Out. Come here. You have your own. What are the brains? Not sure what is that. But this is so cute. That is so cute. So yeah, he got his own little dinner. Yeah, because we can't be eating our dinner. Smells good? Yeah. Ready. And he's already excited right there. He's excited. You excited? Smelling it. He's smelling it. Hold on. Daddy's gonna do it for you, okay? Smells good? Smells good? Smells good? Ready? Oh, happy Thanksgiving, buddy. Now I have to give him some water. Oh, he's loving it. As a Dominican raised in New York City, yeah, I'm not used to kind of this type of meals. We like our pernil, arroz, moro, ensalada papa, you know, we go all out, but my husband likes to change it up sometimes. But yeah, happy Thanksgiving. The food was good. And yeah, until my next video, you guys. Stay safe and stay away from crazy people.